am so thrilled to have you here on this transformative journey with it as we embark on the 22nd day of our money mastery 30-day money mastery challenge. Today's exploration is truly special. We are delving into the art of spiritual journaling, a practice that goes beyond pen and paper. It's a sacred dialogue with your inner self. Before that, here is one question. Have you ever felt the power of your thoughts and emotions shaping your reality? Comment in the comment section and we will meet after the intro. Welcome back, guys. Today we are not just journaling, we are creating a sanctuary for our souls. So, are you ready to unlock the profound wisdom within you through the magic of spiritual journaling, incorporating the gentle touch of natural healing and the vibrant palette of colors? Great. So let's start. Here is segment 1, the palette of energy. Now let's talk about the colors. As you know, colors are not just as a visual stimuli but as energies that wave through our emotions. So remember a time when a specific color brought you comfort or ignited your passion. Today, as you are embark on your spiritual journaling, consider the colors that resonate with your emotions. Perhaps it's the soothing blues or the energizing reds. Embrace these colors like old friends, inviting them into your sacred space. Here is the tip related with this segment: intentional color choice. As you choose your colors today, think about the emotions you wish to explore. If you are seeking calmness, reach for the blues and greens. If it's passion and vitality, let the reds and oranges guide your path. Each stroke becomes a dance with the energies within you. Now, segment 2, natural healing technique. As we journey within, let's explore the gentle embrace of natural healing. My own path has been shaped by the soothing rhythm of controlled breaths and the grounding touch of nature. Today, before we dive into our spiritual journaling, let's take a moment together. Inhale the calm, exhale the tension, feel the earth beneath you, connecting with its energy. Now, this simple yet profound technique creates a canvas for profound self-discovery. So, here is the tip for segment 2. Do the grounding ritual. As you prepare for your journaling session, take a few moments to ground yourself. Imagine roots extending from your body into the earth, anchoring you in the present moment. Feel the stability and support as you breathe in and out. Now, this simple grounding ritual can set the stage for a small, centered, and mindful journaling experiences. Now, here is the segment 3, setting the sacred space. Our surroundings influence our inner landscape. Now, picture this: a quiet corner, bathed in soft light, fragrant with the aroma of essential oils. Now, creating a sacred space is not just about aesthetics, it's about crafting an atmosphere that cradle your soul. Before you pick up that pain, take a moment to set the stage for your spiritual journaling journey. Surround yourself with symbols of significance, whether it's crystal or symbols of cherished items. Now here is the tip regarding with this segment 3. Personalize your space. Your sacred space is an extension of your inner self. Whether it's a cozy nook by the window or a corner adorned with meaningful objects, make it uniquely yours. Consider adding elements that hold significance, for example, a favorite coat or a cherished crystal or perhaps a plant symbolizing growth. Now, let your sacred space be the reflection of your journey within. I hope till now you are with me. So if you like this video, then hit that like button. If you think this video is useful, then share it with your near dear ones, because sharing is caring. If you want such type of more videos, subscribe the channel and click that notification button, and please don't forget to comment. If you don't like the video, then suggest me in the comment box that what improvement you required in my videos. Now coming back to our topic, here is the time for the tip of the day. As we paint our inner canvas today, let's choose the color blue, a color that whispers of calm seas and open skies. I remember a time when a touch of blue brought serenity to my hectic day. So your tip for today is grab blue pen, wear something blue like this, okay, and let the calming energy of this color flow into your journaling. Trust me, your soul will thank you. Now here is the conclusion of this video. As we conclude this exploration, I want to thank you for entrusting me with this sacred space in your life. Now here is small request again. If you like this video, hit that like button. Share this video with your near ones, because sharing is caring. And if you don't subscribe this channel yet, hit that subscribe button for such type of helpful content. Remember, your journey within is a masterpiece in progress, and such stroke of your pen is a brush stroke on the canvas of your soul. Join me in the next video where we continue to unfold the layers of abundance within. Until then, carry the warmth of your own light, and I can't wait to connect with you again soon. Take care, more power to you.